is about all I can do. It's still wet. It smells like laundry detergent. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and add these sprinklers. And let's go. The sprinkler, the glitters, I'm gonna add this color, the aqua one, because it looks super good. Give me a scissor, hold on. With the scissor, well, you need one.
没事，你待会把这段剪掉了，录着呢是吧？
嗯。
你咋从这头回来了
Okay, and hopefully it's not a waste. Add a little bit first, and yeah, mix. Oh, it's starting to show up. There's still that smell, but I guess it's okay. Oh, whoops, the wrinkles. And I'm gonna add these, and whoops, that was a mistake. And hopefully this works, because I can't do anything about the laundry detergent right now, so yeah. It's not turning that great. You know what? I'm gonna go all out. Put it all in a mixing bowl. Okay, that was a mess. And mix it up. My hands are covered with glitter. Maybe it's not a waste after all. Not that great, I guess. Well, that was upset. That was disappointing. But I think this is like the best I can make it. Not so good for a first try with the laundry detergent. I mean, it's slime, but oh, that smell. Okay, this is it, I guess. Now, onward with the next one. Let me wash my hands first.